So this is going to be how to slice a file in AnkerMake Studio successfully. Um, Very beginner's guide. I'm going to make it very user-friendly, I guess. So let's just open a file, any file at all, soda adapter. So this has an overhang, as you can see. So what you have to think of when you're printing is thinking from the bed up, because that's how it prints. It prints from the bed up. I'll show you when I slice it how it prints. But anyway, so we have an overhang here. So the printer can't print in midair. So we have to enable supports. But we don't even have to enable supports with AnkerMake Studio right away. As soon as we hit slice, we just put on fast, precision, or normal. Precision will give you a smaller layer height, will give you more resolution. It'll look better. Normal is just a normal resolution, looks good. And fast is a higher resolution, or a higher layer height and a lower resolution. So it looks a little bit more shabby, but it's a really good part anyways. But I'm going to put it on normal just to show you. So when I go to slice, it's going to give me an error. See, warning, detected. Print stability issues. More. Soda adapter floating bridge arches loses extrusions. So that's telling me that there's an arch here. All this blue stuff, there's arches, like this printing in midair. So we're gonna slice it again, or we're going to press export or expert here, and go to support, and click support, and we can slice again if we want. So this is going to show you where all the supports are going to go. This is good enough just to print right now, so you can just press print if you want. But if you want to minimize supports, you go to threshold, overhang threshold right here. You go 60 degrees, so it'll give you a 60-degree overhang. That's the only place it will put a support. And also, if you want to, you can also do support on build plate only. So that will only support on the build plate. So let's see how it does now. Still the same thing, except it doesn't have supports in in here in the threads. So that'd probably be good enough right here. And it didn't give us an error when we sliced it, so it looks pretty good. We could print it like this. So let's try one more file. Let's go to new project, and I'll bring in one more file just to show you again, to make it easier for you to do what you got to do when you go to do it. So hold on now. Let me get a bite claw. One with overhangs if I can find it. Pick and tick over pin to tick, whatever it's called, rail. Anyways, this is for a gel blaster, but you can see it's got a lot of overhang here. Well, that's actually just a bridge because it's bridging across, but yeah, it's going to count as an overhang anyways. So it'll probably want to put supports under here. So that's what we're going to do again anyway. So we got supports all clicked off up here. So generate support materials already clicked off. Cause the risk of overhang. This could probably print without it, but we're going to do it with support to make it cleaner. So that's what you do. You just press slice and then you press print. And you can also put it on different speeds. So just regard all those changes. And you put it on fast. And that'll change my layer height. I'll show you here now in a second. Quality. So this is your layer height, 0.25. So there's a change in here. Precision. Go to 0.16. And fast, it'll go to 0.25 again. So, anyways, just want to show you that. So all I'll do is another one on precision now. So, precision, just slice now. It's already got the. Oh, look, see, it says detection warning. So if you get any of these warnings, pay attention to these. So this is just telling me that I need to put supports in. So I'll go over here, put supports in, slice again, and it's ready to go. Just press print. And also, if you want to make sure your supports detach, come down here to Z, top contact Z distance, and you can click off here how far you want to gap from the support to the print. I put it on 0.2 to make it easier to pull off. But anyways, that's it. That's how you just slice and print. Super simple way to do it. Not too technical. Hopefully most people can understand that. And that's it.